Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hit on the subscribe button down below, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave your comment in the comment section down below. So today we're going to be unboxing the smartwatch, and we'll be doing a lot of things all in one video. Let's get in. Ooh. Yeah, so that's nice. So there is it, smartwatch X6. I don't think we really need the manual to just put it down. So you've got a magnetic charger. Yeah, put that down. You get us 2 pair of straps. Yeah, and the main item. Yeah, so let's try and fix the handles and see how it looks. I think this will come down here, and then we'll fix this. Up here, I think so. Yeah, so it's gonna be. Yeah, so there's the smartwatch. Yeah, this is the back side of it. Yeah, so let's power it on and see how it feels or looks. Yeah, so this is it. Next, we're going to try and connect it to the phone and then how to use it from there. Well, yeah, so with this watch it's allowed to check your blood pressure, your heart rate, your sleep monitoring, sports mode, calories, distance, sedimentary reminder, weather reminder, incoming calls, everything. It takes photos, even photos. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah boy. Yeah, sorry, using the ring light so it's reflecting on the screen though. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, this is it. Everything is working out fine. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button down below, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.